Okay, Poketubers, like I promised, I'm here with another video. This video, again, is the Sun and Moon Blister Pack, which I got from TJ Maxx. We only paid like $10 for it, whereas normally you pay like $13, $14 depending on where you go. This blister pack has Litten in it, which is the starter Pokemon that I started with when it came to Sun and Moon. As you can see, it comes with a Pikachu coin, the Litten promo, and looks like three Sun and Moon packs. Actually, we'll show you the back of it. But like I said, as you can see from the TJ Maxx sticker, I got it, we got it for about $10. And on it says, give your collection a boost. Get in on the latest Pokemon TCG action with 3 awesome booster packs from the new Sun and Moon expansion. One of 2 special holographic promo cards featuring Tokamaru or Litten, a cool Pokemon coin to add to your collection, and a code card for the Pokemon TCG Online. And as you can see, we found the one that had, Litten, which is the cutest starter in Sun and Moon, from my opinion. And of course, everybody's favorite Pokemon coin that comes in almost every single one of these packs, Pikachu. I'm going to go ahead and open this up, which is not the easiest to get into. And if you're here just for the code cards, I'm sorry, you might as well go ahead and leave now, because I don't pass out the code cards, because I play the TCG Online. If you want to be friends with me, well, it's more or less my husband, because we share this online, TCG Online. Just, shoot me a message, or send it here. Leave a comment asking me the username, and we'll go from there. Alright, here's the code card. Litten. And the ever so rare Pikachu coin. The rarest one you'll ever get. That comes in 9,000 things. So, just because I like fire, typically I would leave the fire for last, but I'm actually going to do this one because it's fire or sun, whatever you want to call it. I say fire. And then with the Sun and Moon pack tricks, it's 4 and 2 because of the extra energy card that they put in it. So I'm going to move those 2 down, or that one down. And we go with green. 1, 2, 3. Energy. 1, 2. So, start out with a Drowsy. How I do this. I'm trying to do my videos a little differently than most of the time. So I'm actually going to do Drowsy, Cutify, Makihita, Snubble, Lola Rattata. Excuse me. Lola Raticate. So we got the Evolution. Wishy-washy. How. Then Fun Sweet, and last but not least, Carbonable? Yeah, I can't pronounce that. We'll just go in order like this. And this one typically has probably the best. This, whenever you see this one, I don't remember its name. Typically, it has the best pulls of all. Typically. But, you know, that's just for me. White code card. Which means, yes, there is going to be something good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And we'll go back to the way I was in my normal videos. Because that one at a time, picking it up is not going to be good for anybody. So we'll start out with Makihira, Jincho, Tokoromaru, Carnivine, Pikipek, Spinda, Potion, Hypno, Alola Grimer, and then, okay, Sinnoh. So that is a hollow rare, I believe, if I remember correctly. Don't quote me on it, I might be wrong. So, and now onto the last pack. Which is green. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So I had 2 fighting energies and a fire. And 1, 2. So we'll start out with the Drowsy again. Brawler, Sandile, Alola Meowth, another Pikipek, Granbull, Boldore, Switch, Crumbomidable, and Bunchwick. Okay, so the best card out of this blister was Sinnoh. I think that's how you pronounce it, which was a hollow rare, non-reverse, I don't know, but that one. But that's it for the Sun and Moon blister pack that had Litten and a Pikachu coin in it. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. You know, if you think I could do better, you know, just let me know in the comment section down below. And I hope you all have a wonderful Pokemon filled day or night, whatever time zone you're in or whatever time you're watching this video. I hope you have a good one. Later.